Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use Ask Needle in your Needl.ai account. Ask Needle is a conversation AI tool that lets you ask questions in natural language and gives you a summarized output from the data of your choice. In this video, we will be seeing three variations of Ask Needle. One is where you can use Ask Needle in all of your data or Needle web. Second, where you can use Ask Needle to ask questions about any specific feed. Third, to use Ask Needle on any of the documents available in your account. To use Ask Needle natively, you can just click on the Ask Needle logo present at the top of your window. It will open a pop-up where you can select the data sources. As you can see, you can either choose to search within My Data, which is all the apps, websites, and exchanges that you have integrated in your account, or you can also choose to search within Needle Web, which is a repository of all the websites that are present in Needl.ai. For this tutorial, let's search in My Data. As you can see, I've got a summarized output and I can now consume this information. You can also check out the citations mentioned here to know more about any of the information present. And you can also click on these citations, which will direct you to the original source of the information. Arsenal also lets you choose the categories where you want to search for the information. These can be exchanges, websites, drive, notes, chats, any apps and websites that you have integrated in your Needl.ai account. You can further save this information as a note in your Needl.ai account. To do that, you need to just click on Save to Note. And as you can see, it is now saved as a note in one of your notebooks, which we can see here by going to the notebooks and Ask Needle in it. Here, as you can see, this is the question that we had just now asked, and this is the answer that was shown to us. You can further check out the citations links which are mentioned in the answer. You can also customize this answer or add your inputs to it and further curate it as you would like. Now, you can also use Ask Needle on any of the feeds of your choice. For example, let me take a feed Macro Global here. You can just go to the feed that you want to run the query on and again click on the Ask Needle logo. When you click here, it will now show you three options, which would be Macro Global, which is the feed name, My Data, and Needle Web, which we just now saw. To search in this feed, I will just type a question which would be, say, now as you can see here, it has now given me a summary of all the information that has crawled in the feed today, and it has given me the answers. I can also further go to the citations and check out the information and go to the original source. Again, this can be saved to a note just how we did previously. Now, when I want to search about anything in a document, we can do that as well. Let me take an example. I go to My Data, I go to Exchanges, and let's say I select a source of annual reports. Now all the documents that are contained in the annual reports will be shown to me. Let's say I open a preview of this document here. As soon as I do this and then I again go and click on Ask Needle, now it will show me an option of searching in this article or this document. Let's say now here, as you can see, the query ran only on the article that I had open, where you can verify it with the company name, and it has given me the answer to my question, which is the highlights of this document. I can further see the summary and the highlights here and go to the original source and look for the information and verify it as well. Again, this can be saved to a note and where I can further curate it. I hope this was helpful. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to us at support@needl.ai and we will be more than happy to help. Thank you.